Great. Thank you so much for joining us. My name is Mrs. Hall.
I'm Mrs. Biermeyer.
Today we get to teach you about the central message in a story. To do that, we are going to read to you The Recess Queen. You might be asking yourself, what is the central message of a story? Well, the central message of a story is all about what the characters learn in a story. So let's get started. The Recess Queen, written by Alexis O'Neill and Laura Beath. Mean Jean was Recess Queen, and nobody said any different. Nobody swung until Mean Jean swung. Nobody kicked until Mean Jean kicked. Nobody bounced until Mean Jean bounced. If kids ever crossed her, she'd push 'em and smush 'em, lapaloosh 'em, hammer 'em, slammer 'em, kits and kajammer 'em. Say what? Mean Jean growled. Say who? Mean Jean howled. Say you. Just who do you think you're talking to? Mean Jean always got her way, until one day. A new kid came to school, Katie Sue. A teeny kid, a tiny kid, a kid you might scare, with a jump and a boot. But when the recess bell went ringety-ring, this kid ran zingety-zing. For the playground gate, Katie swung before Mean Jean swung. Katie kicked before Mean Jean kicked. Katie Sue bounced before Mean Jean bounced. The kid might scare with a jump and a boo was too new to know about Mean Jean, the Recess Queen. Well, Mean Jean bullied through the playground crowd. Like always, she pushed kids and smushed kids, lollapalooshed kids, hammered them, jammered them, kissed and kajammered them as she charged after that Katie Sue. Say what? She growled. Say who? She howled. Say you, she snarled and grabbed Katie Sue by the collar. Nobody swings until Queen Jean swings. Nobody kicks until Queen Jean kicks. Nobody bounces until Queen Jean bounces, and she figured that would set the record straight. She figured wrong. Katie Sue talked back, just as sassy as could be. She said, "How did you get so bossy?" Then that punny thing, that loony thing, grabbed the ball and bounced away. Oh, Katie Sue was so quick, kid. Was one quick kid. She bolted quick as lightning. Bouncity, bouncity, bounce, kickity, kickity, kick, swingity, swingity, swing. Mean Jean thundered close behind, bouncity, kickity, swingity. The Recess Queen was not amused. She raced and chased and in-your-faced that Katie Sue. No one spoke, no one moved, no one breathed. Then from her pack pulled Katie Sue, a jump rope clean and bright. "Hey, Jeanie Beanie," said Katie Sue, "let's try this jump rope out. Here's one thing true, until that day no one dared ask Mean Jean to play." But that Katie Sue just hopped and jumped and skipped away. "I like ice cream, I like tea, I want Jean to jump with me." Jean just gaped and stared as if too scared to move at all. So Katie Sue sang once more, "I like popcorn, I like tea, I want Jean to jump with me." Then from the side, a kid called out, "Go, Jean, go!" And too surprised to even shout, Jean jumped in with Katie Sue. "I like cookies, I like tea, I want you to jump with me." The rope whizzed and slapped faster, faster. The rope spun and flapped faster, faster, till it caught in a tangled disaster. But they just giggled and jumped again. Well, now when recess rolls around, that playground's got one great place. At the school bells ringety-ring, those two girls race ziggity-zing out the classroom door. Jean doesn't push kids and smush kids. Lollapaloosh kids, hammer 'em, slammer 'em, kits and kajammer 'em, 'cause she's having too much fun rompity-romping with her friends. Bouncity, kickity, swingity, hoppity, skippity, jumpity, ringity, zingity, yes. The end.
Thank you, Miss Hall. That was wonderful. All right, so second grade friends, let's remember why we are reading this story today. It is for us to determine the central message. So what lesson is the character learning in this story? So let's ask ourselves some questions. So first of all, what is the problem in this story? Now think, how is the problem solved? And then finally, what did the character learn? What lesson is she learning in the story? Thank you guys for joining us today. See you next time.